In my previous video, I mentioned Coinbase.com as one of the most trusted, most secured, and most beginner-friendly cryptocurrency exchange in the United States. If you haven't watched that video, I provided a link here or in the video description below. In this video, I want to share with you how you can get free cryptocurrencies by simply learning about them on Coinbase.com, how you can sell those cryptocurrencies and buy Bitcoin instead if you want to, how you can get an additional $10 worth of Bitcoin when you buy or sell your first $100 worth of crypto, as well as other ways to make money with Coinbase.com. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our free newsletter to get the latest news, insider tips, winning trading strategies, and everything else you need to make money investing and trading cryptocurrencies. For those of you who are new to my YouTube channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Paul, extra hyperactive, and by no means I am some kind of financial advisor or even a cryptocurrency expert. I'm first of all an entrepreneur, a marketer, and now a cryptocurrency investor and trader. I'm also the founder of Extra Hyperactive Network that helps people live a happy, healthy, and a wealthy lifestyle. We educate people about the fundamentals of business, marketing, and branding so they can start their own business or at least learn how to make some extra money on the side to support their lifestyle. Unlike other online gurus out there, I don't just make money online by teaching others how to make money online. I actually run my own businesses and I only share my personal knowledge, experience, and expertise. Personally, I was introduced to cryptocurrencies and Coinbase.com in about 2018, and at that time I had absolutely no idea what I was going into. But as an entrepreneur and a marketer, I've always lived by a quote I heard from Richard Branson, the founder of the Virgin brand, who said, if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity but you are not sure you can do it, say yes, then learn how to do it later. And that's exactly what I did. In spring of 2018, I bought my first $100 worth of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and literally a couple months later the price for those coins dropped by almost 50%. But I didn't really care about that because I wasn't there just to make money. I jumped on that opportunity because, first of all, I wanted to learn something new. That's why I can't stress enough the importance of rule number one for business, marketing, trading, and investing, and that is the more you learn, the more you earn. And in this video, I'm going to prove to you that this rule really works. So let's go ahead and see how you can get started with Coinbase.com for absolutely free, how you can get some free cryptocurrencies, and other ways to make money with Coinbase.com. So first things first, if you still haven't had the chance to watch my previous video, if you are new to Coinbase.com, you should know that starting your Coinbase account is absolutely free and you don't need to buy anything. Later on, you would want to connect your bank account to your Coinbase account so you would be able to sell your cryptocurrency and then transfer the money from Coinbase to your bank. Or you would want to get a cryptocurrency wallet so you could deposit your crypto from Coinbase to your wallet. But in the beginning, just go to Coinbase.com, create your Coinbase account, and on the left side, if you're using a laptop or a desktop computer, you will see a bunch of tabs. Scroll down till you see Earn Rewards, click on it, and you will see all these different cryptocurrencies and the projects behind them. You will earn rewards by simply watching short videos about those coins and taking quick and easy pop quizzes at the end. After that, you will see the money in your Coinbase account. For example, as you can see here, just recently I learned about GraphCoin, and now you can see there are $3 worth of GraphCoin in my Coinbase account. I also earned learning about coins like Compound, Stellar, Tezos, DAI, Cosmos, Celo, and Maker. It's super easy, very fast, and as I said in the beginning of this video, absolutely free. But what if you want to focus on investing and trading just Bitcoin? Here's your action plan. First of all, do not, I repeat, do not sell, buy, or convert your cryptocurrency on Coinbase.com because the fees are the highest among all of the crypto exchanges in the US. Instead, go to Coinbase Pro, which is owned by Coinbase.com but geared specifically towards crypto trading. The best part is that you don't have to create a new account once you are signed in with Coinbase.com. You can automatically sign in with Coinbase Pro. And once you're on Coinbase Pro, now you can transfer all your coins from Coinbase.com and you don't have to pay anything. Now that you have all your coins in Coinbase Pro, you have a few options. You can continue learning about the coins you received from Coinbase.com, track their performance and hope they will go up in price, then sell them, making more money than you receive from Coinbase, and then buy Bitcoin. Or if you're lucky to be at the time when Bitcoin is down, you can just sell all your coins, buy what they call the dip, and see your money double, triple, or maybe even 10x. Just like I said in the beginning of this video, you don't have to buy anything, you just invest your time and effort, get all those altcoins from Coinbase.com, transfer those coins to Coinbase Pro, and then hold them or sell them to buy Bitcoin. Very simple and pretty straightforward. I'm not providing any additional information about how to create an account, how to buy, sell, how to transfer coins from Coinbase.com to Coinbase Pro, because there's already a ton of information on YouTube, on the internet, and on Coinbase itself. So what are some other ways to make money with Coinbase.com? Well, another super easy way to make quick $10 is by simply recommending Coinbase.com to your friends, family, or anybody else who wants to learn about cryptocurrency investing and trading. If you are new to Coinbase.com, if you decide to join Coinbase after watching this video, make sure to click on my referral link in the video description below, and both of us will get $10 worth of Bitcoin. Now, this is very important. You will get $10 from Coinbase only after you buy or sell $100 worth of crypto. It's very important because there are already a lot of people who promote Coinbase.com with their referral link without even realizing that they need to buy or sell at least $100 worth of cryptocurrency to earn those $10 from Coinbase. And people who they recommend Coinbase.com will need to do the same. Also important, the only way other people will be joining Coinbase.com through your referral link is if they know who you are, they trust you, and most important, they see that you have personal knowledge, experience, and expertise with Coinbase as well as with cryptocurrency in general. Once again, the more you learn, the more you earn. Another way to build a truly passive income is by staking your crypto on Coinbase.com. Staking simply means depositing your coins on Coinbase.com for a certain period of time or without any time limits at all. Think of it as a saving account or CD, certificate of deposit, except for that with your crypto on Coinbase, you will earn much higher rewards on your investments comparing to keeping your money in a bank. And just like with buying and selling, staking your crypto on Coinbase.com is relatively easy and pretty straightforward. There are a few stable coins that you can buy, hold, and earn rewards, such as USD Coin, Tezos, DAI, and Cosmos. And depending on the coin, you can earn anything between 0.15 to a whopping 5%. And finally, the best way, in my personal opinion, to make money with Coinbase is by trading cryptocurrencies. But from my personal experience, it's definitely not easy, very risky, and requires minimum $100. Yes, you heard me right. You can start making money trading cryptocurrencies on Coinbase with as little as $100. But as I've been saying throughout the entire video, you absolutely must educate yourself about cryptocurrency industry in general and specifically about the coins that you want to invest into. Most important, you must understand the risks associated with any type of trading or investing. There's no such thing as a sure thing. And here's my personal example. As of right now, I only have a few coins that I'm learning about. And you can see, I invested $300 in Aave coin, and now it's $321.90, and I bought only $100 worth of synthetics coin, and now it's $121.84. At the same time, I bought $100 worth of Litecoin in 2018 for, I think it was $251 at that time when I bought it, and as of today, 2021, January 2021, it's still about $150-$160 per coin, and my investment, as you can see here, is still under $100 of the initial money that I invested in Litecoin. So as you can see, there are coins that are new to cryptocurrency markets and they're already performing extremely well, while at the same time there are coins like Litecoin that have been around for some time and they're still lagging behind. In conclusion, I really hope that you will take advantage of this opportunity to learn about Coinbase, cryptocurrencies, and how you can build your own wealth. If you're serious about investing and especially trading cryptocurrencies, make sure to subscribe to our free newsletter to get notified about the latest news, insider tips, winning trading strategies, and everything else you need to make money investing and trading cryptocurrencies. Also, in the video description below, I added my social media links so you can contact me directly if you have any questions. I'm always happy to connect and help like-minded people. Thank you for watching this video, and you have a great day.